up, y'all? It's Lindsay, and we're here in the Forbes Heaver and Wallace Test Kitchen to give you this week's episode of Behind the Line. Today, we're going over the Cres Cor Quicktherm with temp. This unit can roast, cook, bake, and hold to a precise temperature and humidity control. All of Cres Cor's ovens are UL certified for ventless and are easy to use and clean. Once you've turned on the oven, you can set to the appropriate cooking parameters. The top two buttons indicate if you are in cook mode or hold mode, indicated by the LED light. Then you can change the time, the probe temperature, or use one of the programmed recipes. The display button allows you to see the actual temperature of the oven and to set the temperature of the oven. The button on the far right controls the 6 blower fans. For crisper foods, you'll use the high setting, which turns on all 6 fans. For pretty much everything else, you'll use the lower setting, which turns on only 4 of the fans. The stainless steel construction and smooth interior corners allow for easy cleaning. At the bottom of the oven, you'll see the 4-gallon water reservoir, the drip tray for condensation, and the spout where you would attach a tube to drain the reservoir. The ovens have field reversible Dutch doors and a silicone door gasket for a proper seal. You'll want to make sure that those are wiped down when cleaning the oven. You'll also want to remember not to use any caustic chemicals or abrasive scrubbers. The units come standard with 18 sets of stainless angles. All Cres Cor models have a QR code on the side of them that give you all the information you could possibly need for each model, such as the operation manual, videos, and a spec sheet. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Behind the Line with the Cres Cor Quicktherm with temp. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local FH&W rep, and be sure to check out our other content. Hope you have a great day.